This is Normanby all this estate on right to me. It's not a bad place for a look round. Been around it a few times. I used to be a member of a model steam engine society, and we just come down here. We used to have an event here. Scunthorpe model engineers, have they got their own track here and everything. It's quite a nice track, well looked after, nice engines and everything. And of course they have an open day, so you can get kids to go on them and that sort of stuff. It's quite a nice place. There's a, you know, country house to look round, and you know, that's how I won't swear. That's how bloody stupid some of them are. How do I know what he's going to do? I think I'm a chuffing mind reader. Anyway, I'll tell you about this place. Only thing I don't like about it is car park, because it's expensive to park in. Unless they've altered something, it's something stupid to stay in car park. If you park your bike elsewhere, I think you can walk in, or park your car elsewhere and walk in. There's a big deer park there and a pet cemetery and, you know, general sort of stuff. It's actually got a little museum. It's somewhat of an agricultural type museum, but it's got all sorts in. Now apparently there was a motorbike built in Scunthorpe. This is quite an interesting one. They only built one and it's a prototype. It used to be in that museum. Whether it still is, I don't know, because it's several years since I've been in. And when I went in, I didn't know about it, so I went looking for it, and I missed it. But I had a mate who worked at Steelworks, a kid called Derek Bacon, and he was a tinsmith. And he actually made the tank for it. I mean, it tells you how long ago it is, you know. I mean, how long has anywhere, you know, any firm had a tinsmith? You know, it's like one of them occupations what's lost, isn't it? But anyway, that's what he was. He went there as an apprentice from school, and he was tinsmith. And the Steelworks sponsored the restoration of the motorbike. And like I say, my mate made the petrol tank. Quite unusual, because the petrol tank, I don't know just how it worked, but the petrol tank, or the carburettor, was it inside the petrol tank or something. There was no carbot engine, it was part of the tank. So it was actually quite a complex thing. He used to, we built a couple of steam engines together. He used to do a lot of the, you know, the fabrication, steelwork, that sort of stuff, because, you know, I'm bloody good at that. Made a lovely job of that sort of stuff. And I used to do a lot of the machining work. What we're heading for now is out to South Ferriby, I think it is, South Ferriby, and then over Humber Bridge. I'll turn right, but I'll be in the middle of the road. I don't know what they'll run you when you're do your test now, but when I went, you know, if you were turning right, you got to the right hand side of the road, and if you were off left, you got to the left hand side of the road. Seems like, you know, effort generation now, just sort of park in middle bit. I don't know if it's some at the Lenham or what the hell, but I can't see much logic in it myself. Other than it stops somebody getting up inside and you can't see past them if they're parked at junction as well. I don't know if you can see it, but over that right hand side there's Humber Bridge. I don't know if camera picks it up at that range. Anyway, we'll be there shortly. This is a nice road as well. And of course, if you follow this road, it takes straight into Barton and Barton on Humber or whatever they are, I'm not sure. And they I don't know if they still do, they used to have a big bike night. They tell me you couldn't get up Main Street for it. I've never been to it. Maybe I should have a ride down to it, but then it's a blistering night, so it's always with the... This on my right hand side here is a big cement. I don't know if that's all they do. I mean, you'll be able to see all mud flats on my left now, so I can only guess that tide's out. Apparently a couple of lads have told me, and I'm not, you know, I can't argue toss because I don't know, but apparently it's not very deep. Apparently there's one part of it deep, which is, there's obviously a channel cut in for boats to come up, but apparently I understand that you can just about walk over it. Now whether that's right or not, I don't know. You know what it's like, yeah, these tales and how right they are, you don't know, but I find it hard to believe that you could walk over that. Yeah, this is South Ferriby. North Ferriby's at the other side of estuary. Yeah, must be a mile of it river. You know, they're Not really close together, are they? I think there must be a quarry attached to that cement works, because if you turn right and go along there, there's a big conveyor belt comes right over the road, which I believe goes into the cement works. I've had these gloves running now for just over an hour. Seem alright. I've got them on lowest setting. I wouldn't really want them on any hotter than what they are now. I mean, this bridge, when it was built, it was longest single span in the world, something like that, suspension bridge or something like that. It was certainly the biggest in the world. I remember them building it when I would only be a kid, and it was a white elephant. There was all this going on. It was so long behind time, this, that, rest of it, you know. They were all the something news. I mean, best about it is for a motorbike you don't have to pay any toll. It's toll free for motorcycles. And as you can see down at left hand side, there's a footpath and a cycle path. Well, there's people jogging over it and cycling over it, as you can see there, like. And right down there, they're ferry ports. That's normally what we use when we're going abroad. It quite regularly gets shut to high-sided vehicles and motorcycles and such. You can imagine what it's like over there when it wind's blowing. I mean, it's not too bad today, but a little bit blustery, but you know, no alarming or anything like that. But anyway, I wouldn't mind to go to the very top and have a look, but that'd be interesting.